Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, बच्चा.
Ma'am,
हाँ जी बेटा.
ma'am, can you please tell us what is R in the timetable?
What is
Ma'am, R in
AI?
today's
AI. AI is artificial intelligence, computer से related.
no,
But
ma'am. Ma'am, seventh lecture.
एक minute, let me see. Today is 7th lecture.
गुड मॉर्निंग मैम.
Yes.
Good morning. प्रखर बेटा कभी कैमरा खोला करो, दर्शन दिया करो.
ओके मैम.
हाँ, कैमरा खोल के रखा करो. Okay. Let everyone join in. It is your arrangement period. We have a regular class in the 3rd period, right? So let us do one thing. Let us recapitulate what we have done in the previous classes. Let us have a small quiz of the geography and the civics chapters that we have done. Will that be fine, class?
यस मैम.
Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, bacha, say it.
Ma'am, can you show the last flow chart of civics?
Saksham, we'll do that in the regular class that we have today, no? In the third, I think in the 3rd period, we have a regular class. So we'll continue with that, right? Right now, in this class, I'm giving you some questions related to chapter 1, geography. Do them, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Let everyone,
additional questions.
these are objective questions which I'll be sharing a worksheet with you all. It is a worksheet for geography chapter and objective questions, right?
Ma'am, we have to do in fair.
Right now, फेयर में मत करो, रख लो रिकॉर्ड के लिए. जब बता देंगे, जैसे ही पता चलता है क्या आप लोगों का वो है क्राइटेरिया इस बार, बिकॉज पता ही
Okay,
नहीं है
ma'am.
कि क्या होगा क्या नहीं होगा, है ना? तो उसको आप सेफ रख लीजिएगा, स्क्रीनशॉट लेके,
Okay, ma'am.
है ना?
गुड मॉर्निंग मैम.
Good morning, beta. Good morning. It is an arrangement period, right? Both the classes which are joining, they are for the arrangement periods only. So we'll not start anything new. We'll continue with the revision part. Let us
morning,
start.
ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Grasped. Okay. Good morning. Good morning. Were you all aware of the change timings? Can we have the cameras on, please, class? Cameras on. Everyone. Harshit, good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
You don't do my classes regularly.
मैम.
You don't like my classes? Huh?
I told you, ma'am, that we don't have a timetable, ma'am. I was completing my pending work, so I don't know which class is there next.
But then links are always shared, no, before the class.
Yes, ma'am, but I don't check, na, ma'am. Ma'am, the period I remember, ma'am, it is happening in this period, ma'am, I attend that class.
Those only you do. Chalo, no problems, no issues. uh, so, geography or civics, which chapter you want me to revise, to ask you questions from?
Ma'am, civics.
Civics. Okay, chapter 1, right?
ओके मैम.
Everyone to open the cameras, please. It is the first class in the morning. You cannot say that I have data problem, I have connection problem, I have this problem, I have that problem. I want everyone to switch on the cameras, please.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Betsy. Good morning.
Ma'am, this is your arrangement.
This is my arrangement class. Otherwise, it is your Hindi period. But the teacher is on leave, so I have been given this class, right?
ओके मैम.
You all have the books with you?
यस मैम.
Fine.
Some of which
Civics only. Civics chapter 1. Rudransh, if you are there, open your camera. Prachi. Prachi Gangwar, Anvesha, Shreya, Jivyansh, Arshit, Harshit, Kinjal, Kartikeya, Saksham. Kinjal,
Opening.
please open. Where is Pradyuman, Prakhar? Huh?
Ma'am, he was bathing.
Acha, he's taking bath.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
चलो गुड. ये तो बहुत अच्छी आदत है नहा धो के क्लास करना. वेरी गुड. कीप इट अप.
Ma'am, I am wake up 4 o'clock.
You wake up at 4 o'clock every day.
Yes, ma'am.
This is so good. And what about others? Huh?
I am 6 o'clock.
I'm approximately 7:30.
Ma'am,
I'm half an hour before the class.
Okay.
ma'am 5:30 to study.
Very good. This is really very nice. Those who get वो कहते हैं ना early to bed, early to rise makes a man healthy, wealthy and wise. कहते हैं ना?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
ma'am,
ma'am.
but
Ma'am, I
since
didn't
few days, ma'am,
But what?
ma'am,
Ma'am,
but
I
from
don't sleep, ma'am.
since few
Ma'am,
days,
I'm a
ma'am,
superhuman.
because of IPL, it's been really tough to sleep early.
But IPL gets over at what time? Yesterday, though it got I think what time? 11 o'clock.
11.
Yes, ma'am. 11.
Yes, ma'am. 11 to 11:15 at
It was over. Such a nice match, right?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
Lucknow.
Ma'am,
Yes,
this
ma'am.
time we were supporting Lucknow.
Of course, हमारा प्रदेश, हमारी team. Though CSK is always my favorite, but भाई वो कहते हैं ना अपना स्टेट सबसे आगे, तो स्टेट आगे, स्टेट के लिए. Okay.
Yes,
Some are still sitting with the camera switched off. बेटा ऑन कर लो बच्चे, ना इतना बुलवाओ हमको, है ना? I am looking for your worksheet actually. Don't know where has it disappeared.
ma'am, you will ask orally.
नहीं, हम लिखवाएंगे बेटा. हम यहाँ पे स्क्रीन पे लिखेंगे, आप उन क्वेश्चंस को देख के आंसर्स लिखोगे. ठीक है? या ओरल करना है?
Ma'am, in fair notebook or rough?
बेटा फेयर नोटबुक्स, फेयर
Ma'am, oral.
Okay,
Ma'am, oral.
ma'am.
फेयर नोटबुक्स.
Ma'am, oral.
Ma'am, oral.
ओरल?
Ma'am,
ओरल तो कुछ भी नहीं होता है.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ?
ma'am, 1 mark.
Ma'am, can we have a quiz?
Ma'am, you can ask very short type questions in the oral.
I am asking you very short only, but I am not able to get it. No, this is the problem. Okay, got it. Give me a second to share the screen with you all. This is from geography, not from civics. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Hanji. Just a second. Okay, I am sharing the screen, and let me know whether the screen is clear or not to you. Can you see the questions?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, please do.
Hmm?
Ma'am,
Ma'am, you were saying of ma'am civics.
हाँ नहीं, ज्योग्राफी कर लेते हैं, वो सिविक्स वाली मिल नहीं रही है, आई एम लुकिंग फॉर इट, पहले ये करो तब तक हम फिर सिविक्स आपको देते हैं, ठीक है? दीज आर एमसीक्यूज, आप केवल क्वेश्चन नंबर डाल के
Ma'am, first one is not visible.
Question.
फर्स्ट वन
yes, ma'am.
start from second, you have to start from second one. Okay, write the number of the question and the answer with the option, like if it is C, you will write C, land degradation,
Then we have to write in our notebook or
in your fair
send
notebook.
it on the WhatsApp.
नहीं नहीं, in the fair notebook. No, do it in the fair notebook, share the image later on. Okay,
Okay.
and give me a second.
Ma'am, can you, ma'am, accept it in rough notebook right now? Ma'am, I will
Do it in
copy
the,
it in fair notebook.
but it has to be in a notebook. No one will type it on the WhatsApp, right?
Yes, ma'am, I will.
Then we have to write
ma'am,
questions
make it
also.
one.
No, only answers, bacha. Question number and the answer with the option. Like if it is C, you will not give only C. You will write C and whatever the answer is about. Clear?
Ma'am, please show the second one.
Achha, sorry. And keep the cameras on, please. Huh?
Ma'am, can you tell the meaning of replenishable?
Meaning of?
Replenishable.
जिसको दोबारा से रीजनरेट किया जा सके, रिप्लेनिश किया जा सके.
Ma'am, renewable.
हाँ, कह सकते हो.
Ma'am, we have to write question numbers like 2, 3, 4, 5 or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
2, 3, 4, 5. What is showing that only? Otherwise, there will be a confusion. A lot of confusion will be there.
Ma'am, are there more questions after 9?
Yes, yes.
After 9th one?
Yes.
Okay.
Can you scroll up?
जी बेटा.
Ma'am, can you scroll up?
Just a second. Which question you want to see?
Ma'am, from 5th.
It is showing on the screen. Right?
Ma'am, in question number 7, more than two options are correct. More than one.
Only one is there.
Yes, ma'am, only one option is correct.
Only one option is there. Correct?
Can you please show 12th question?
Kartikeya, are you there in the class? Jivyansh,
Yes, ma'am.
open your camera. Jivyansh, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Open the camera, please. Kavya, Kinjal, Mika is already with the open camera sitting. Kinjal, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Open your camera, beta.
Ma'am, can we send our answers?
All are done with first 5?
Ma'am, first 10.
Okay.
Ma'am, can you please zoom on the 11th and 12th question?
11th and 12th.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, what is written in question number 11?
Which of
Ma'am,
the
is following is not the
perpetual resource?
ma'am meaning of perpetual is important.
नहीं,
Essential.
perpetual का मतलब important बिल्कुल नहीं होता है. Radhe knows the meaning.
No, ma'am. I was also not.
Any one of you?
Ma'am, which lasts forever.
I also don't know.
Perpetual means which is always there, right?
Okay.
Ma'am, in the last question and the last word is or.
But it is or. Okay.
Ma'am, may I send my answer?
Yes.
I'm done.
We have more questions for the same one. So if you could wait. ये वाला है बेटा. Next. 12 के बाद.
Ma'am, please show the previous one once again.
Okay. This is the previous.
I'm done.
Done?
Ma'am, wait, ma'am. Let me take a screenshot of it.
Okay.
Ma'am, to practice afterwards.
Hmm.
Ma'am, done.
Done? Okay. Now 13 to 22 we have. Okay.
Ma'am, excuse me, ma'am, can you please tell me again what is tidal energy?
What is?
Tidal energy.
Any one of you in the class? What is a tidal energy?
Ma'am, the energy which we got from tides of ocean.
The energy that is obtained by
Ma'am, tides in the ocean.
the tides.
Ma'am, energy obtained from tides in the ocean.
Right? Tides कहाँ पे होती है शिवांश?
Ma'am, oceans में.
Oceans में. हाँ जी. आपका सी बीचेस की तरफ और ओशंस जो होते हैं मेन वहां पे टाइड्स आती हैं. तो टाइडल एनर्जी दैट इज obtained by harnessing the tides. Okay.
Okay.
Ma'am, please scroll up.
Okay.
Ma'am, please show the 18th question.
Ma'am, you're on mute.
Okay. Prachi, Yashika, Abhinav, Rudransh, cameras off. Harshit, Vyom, Pradyunsh, Saksham, Anvesha.
Ma'am, please scroll up.
Which question? Beta, which question?
40.
14.
14.
Is showing now. Beta, done?
Ma'am, please wait about to complete.
Okay. We need to discuss the answers as well. So make it little fast, okay?
Ma'am, can you scroll up for once? Yes, ma'am.
देखो बच्चों को पता ही नहीं है कि क्लास जो है टाइम चेंज हो गया है, 8:30 का टाइम बदल के केवल 8 हो गया है।
मैम डन।
थोड़ा टाइम लगेगा अडेप्ट कर।
नहीं बेटा, टाइम नहीं लगाना पड़ेगा। मंडे से जब 7:15 स्कूल पहुंचना होगा तो क्या होगा फिर? हाँ,
ये सम तो करना पड़ेगा।
तो हम ये
7:15 to
7:15.
यस बेटा 7:15 to 1:15।
मैम स्कूल टाइमिंग्स ना
6 बजे उठना पड़ेगा.
बेटा वो
No
तो आप जानो
problem.
कितने बजे उठोगे। Some people manage by getting up 15 minutes
ये
before.
तो मैम ग्रुप पे तो 8 to 1:40 आया था।
बेटा that is for the online classes, my dear. Online classes, not the offline ones. Okay, offline ones.
I thought it was of offline.
It is, or how is it possible? Do we ever have school at 8 o'clock in summers?
The timing will be from 7:15.
7:15
Ma'am,
to.
can I send my answer?
Yes, beta, send your answers or let us discuss now quickly, okay? All those who are there in the meeting. देखो अब बेचारे सब इतना परेशान हो जाएंगे कि अभी तो हमने ज्वाइन करी मीटिंग, एंड कैसे हो गई इतनी जल्दी है। नॉट देयर फॉल्ट।
Ma'am, first we will discuss or first we have to send?
You send your answers. You send. I am checking the groups who all are sending. Make it fast.
Ma'am, I have sent.
Okay, let me check. बेटा आया तो नहीं मेरे पास। 10C. Now I got. Okay, Parush, Saksham, Om. Aditya in the B section. Akshar, very good. Very good. Fine. Let us start discussing.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I'm doing.
Huh?
Ma'am, I'm doing.
Chalo, we'll start from the last question. Which of the following is the typical of the Deccan Trap region? Which soil is the typical of the Deccan Trap region?
Black soil.
Let's try to.
Beta, it is C, black soil. Okay. Okay. Fine. 20.
Yes.
Which one of the following can solve the problem of land degradation?
Afforestation.
Ma'am, afforestation.
Afforestation, because rest all that are given, they are the factors responsible for degradation of the land. Fine. What is the major cause of land degradation in Punjab, Haryana and Western?
Overgrazing.
Over-irrigation.
Over-irrigation. Over-irrigation, not overgrazing. Okay, over-irrigation.
Okay, ma'am.
It is given in the book also, right? Then question number 19. In which of the following states has deforestation due to mining been the major cause of land degradation?
Ma'am, Jharkhand.
Jharkhand.
Exactly. Jharkhand. Then which of the following restrict the infiltration of water into the soil?
Conquer layer.
The Kankar layer. The Kankar layer. Which of the following areas have well-developed terrace farming?
Both A and B.
Very good. Both A
A and B.
Both A and B. Very good, class. Very good. Then bad land in Chambal Basin is known by which name?
Rewind.
Ravines.
Rewind.
Ravines. Very good. In which of the following states is terrace practiced?
Uttarakhand.
Uttarakhand.
Very good. Then which one of the following is the main cause of land degradation in Punjab?
Intensive farming.
Intensive
Intensive
cultivation.
cultivation. Yes, intensive cultivation.
Intensive.
Okay, then under which of the following type of resource can tidal energy?
Replenishable.
Replenishing.
Very good, beta. Very good. Next, 12th one. Which is a resource?
Non-renewable. Non-renewable.
Non-renewable.
Non-renewable. Fine. Then which of the following is not the perpetual resource?
Mineral.
Very good. Very good. Very good. Rudransh, I can't see you. Which of the following is not the class of resource?
International.
International.
So international resource comes in which category?
Ma'am, ownership. Ownership.
On the basis of ownership.
Very good. Very good. Which of the following is not the class of resources on the basis of ownership?
Biotic.
Biotic.
Yes, biotic. Very good. Then which of the following is not the example of biotic resource?
Mountain.
Very good. Which of the following is not the state of black soil?
Uttar Pradesh.
Uttar Pradesh.
Very good. In which of the following states are red and yellow soil found?
Odisha.
Odisha.
In Odisha. Very good.
Odisha.
In which of the following states is shelter belts cultivation practiced?
Uttarakhand.
Are you sure? हरियाणा में नहीं.
Ma'am, plains of Punjab.
Punjab. It is plains of Punjab. It is plains of Punjab. Okay. Then
Ma'am, but in book it is written that shelter belts are made in the sand dunes area, ma'am, in the arid area.
तो फिर हरियाणा होगा फिर इसका, पर वैसे तो प्लेन्स ऑफ पंजाब ही है. Plains of
Ma'am,
Punjab.
no, ma'am, according to this, it is ma'am arid. Ma'am, it is said ma'am that in arid regions they are made.
Ma'am, arid areas are also found in Punjab.
बेटा हाँ, एक्चुअली ये प्लेन्स ऑफ पंजाब ही है इसका करेक्ट आंसर. वैसे हरियाणा भी हो सकता है क्योंकि हरियाणा में भी जो आपका जो हरियाणा का राजस्थान बॉर्डर की तरफ जो एरिया है, ये सीकर वगैरह जो पड़ता है वो आपका जो है क्लोजर टू हरियाणा है ना, तो वो भी आपका जो है एरिड एरिया है. ठीक है.